Hi, I'm Michaela Branch and I'm an architectural draftsperson here at Prebuilt. We delivered 2 new kinders on school sites for the start of Term 1 in 2026. Both were delivered on already established school sites in Sunshine and Sunshine West. Using permanent modular construction for these projects was absolutely imperative to deliver a high-quality product in a compressed amount of time. Constructing in the factory makes so many common challenges associated with construction so much easier. We don't have to deal with inclement weather or worry about it causing damage as we build. The biggest challenge was the timeline. Delivering 32 modules and all associated site works in 14 weeks seemed impossible to do. I remember the first time I saw the program and I thought, there's no way this can be done. And I was absolutely wrong. I was blown away by the efficiency and the focus of the team here. Each site is made up of 2 modern kindergarten rooms, outdoor play spaces, staff amenities, and 13 on-site car parks. From the colours chosen right down to the sill heights of the windows, both KOSS projects are using obvious and subtle design moves to make young people feel welcome and like they belong in the space. I feel really proud that we've delivered such important and high quality builds in a way that was low impact to the school sites. These buildings will support and nurture the youngest members of our community for years to come.